Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be switching out the trailing arm on a 2008 Honda CRV. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my channel content for more. Also, have fun. It's 10 o'clock, and Taylor Swift is playing at Ford Field tonight. Unfortunately, like many people who wish they would have been able to go, sadly, I just can't afford it. The tickets were way too expensive, and I waited and waited and waited and waited and waited, and nothing came up for under $1,500. And I mean, wow, is that crazy? But I mean, I feel like if that's what they're going for, that's what they're going for. This 2008 Honda CRV had trailing arms that were really rusty and caused a very dangerous condition. Well, they needed to be replaced. And long story short, it did not fix the overall concern with the car because there was damage when the vehicle got damaged. Unfortunately, there was not much else I could do to try and mend that. So, without further ado, here's how you switch out a trailing arm on a 2008 Honda CRV. We have a CRV here. Whoop, wow. Look at that. Yep, that is some not so good. Check underneath here. Not so good. Okay, so we're gonna have to lift this boy up and get it in. Oh gosh, so much dirt. Foot-pounds, 43 foot-pounds, 59 foot-pounds, 53 foot-pounds. So if your trailing arm is very rusty, I spent hours, and I mean I spent a long time trying to get this trailing arm off. What you saw in this clip was the extent of hours of work trying to figure out how to get this trailing arm apart. Now, trailing arms are one in a dozen, I will say. It's not the easiest thing to fix, and it's not a novice thing to do. Mainly because a lot of those nuts that are retained are going to be difficult to remove. If the bolt is stuck in the bushing, the nut is retained by spot welds. So if your bolt is seized inside of the sleeve for that bushing, you're not getting it out. You're gonna have to cut that thing out. And I've seen that happen quite a few times where people will just try and spin thinking that that nut is not welded, end up snapping the welded nut and be like, whoa. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as check out my channel content for more, and, well, hey, have fun. All I can say is summer classes, and then cost of tickets for Taylor Swift. So I'm thinking, maybe I might try and go to a different venue. You know, possible that those tickets will be sold cheaper as event tour date comes up. Who knows? I don't know. I really want to go to the Eras tour.